In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to start a new video on Google Vids. First, open your browser and head over to Google Vids. Also, make sure that you sign in with your Google account. Then, in the home page, click on the Add button to start a new video. So, here you can choose how you want to start. You can pick a blank project or select a template if you want pre made layouts and animations to save time. Once your project opens, you'll see the editor with your timeline at the bottom and media tools on the side. And this is where you can add videos, images, text, and music to build your video. To add your video, click on Uploads. And here you can select your video from Google Drive or Google Photos for photos, or you can also use stock videos that is available all around Google Vids. Just drag the video to your canvas and it will be instantly added to your project. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!